Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is idiom. Sentence says, consumer confidence levels, which many economists consider an early indication of the economy's direction, sagged as the stock market tumbled, but not dramatically enough for giving a clear picture of new spending patterns. Now, not dramatically enough for giving, instead it should be to give. Why? Because whenever it has purpose. When verb shows purpose, it should be to plus verb. So stock market tumble, not dramatically enough to give. So it is not dramatically enough for giving a clear picture, no, to give clear picture. So anything that is related to future, that is related to purpose, that is related to intention, it should be to plus verb. So option A out. Option B, not dramatically enough to give is fine, but C, option C, so dramatically as to. Remember, so as to, whenever it is so as to, in that case it should be adjective. So dramatic is possible, but dramatically not possible. So it should be so dramatic as to have given, possible. All right, so option C out. Option D, not dramatically enough to give. Okay, it's fine. Option D, so dramatically. So again it should be dramatic. Why? Because so X as to Y. In that case, after so it should be adjective, and after to it should be verb. So option B and option E has verb. Now the difference, because it is talking about cause and effect, it sagged because stock market tumbled. So here present perfect does not require. Why not require? Because present perfect is a effect, not cause, but here it is cause. So whenever we use or whenever we give cause to the sentence, it should be past simple. Whenever it is effect, it should be present perfect. So this is incorrect tense, and that's why option D out. Option B becomes best option.